So, a transportation management system is a platform for 3PLs, freight brokers, and even asset based carriers to manage their business. So, it's a centralized platform for every internal user in the company to help manage the quoting process, the covering process, qualify their carriers when it comes to a full truckload, managing documentation. So with freight, documentation for bill of ladings, rate confirmation sheets are very important to communicate to the customer and or shippers for freight that they move. And when it comes to tendering loads to the carrier or managing tracking, whether it's just managing their manual check calls on a daily basis or providing real-time track information through a mobile app, it's all helpful for the 3PL or freight broker to provide that track information to their customer. And of course, managing delivery and even accounting. So when it comes to accounting, bill management, auditing, invoice auditing, making sure that they verify carrier charges before they invoice the customer, making sure they have the proper documentation, and finding out what money is owed to them through our collection reports, and even find out what disputes they have when it comes to managing their carrier bills. Reporting is also very important, whether it's standard KPI reports or having some information through our report templates or report builder where they could actually build their own reports to paint a picture of what their business is like, whether it's looking for profitability information, sales information, or once again accounting information. The difference between a good TMS and a bad TMS is, more importantly, ease of use. When you look at TMS applications, a lot of them will have some of the basic functionalities, such as dispatching, tracking, managing, accounting. But a lot of those basic functions are approached differently by different companies. So for example, a lot of people say they will have integrations with third-party accounting applications. So this can mean different things, meaning some companies will approach it through a flat file import. Some companies will actually use a syncing tool that's designed to sync into their system. So even though it provides the same functionality, we are providing different solutions because one is more manual versus one more automated. And as far as ease of use goes a long way because reducing clicks or reducing pages that you have to visit to perform a function goes a long way to spending less time on managing a shipment. So Technology's platform is different because our products provide a full solution for a transportation company. One of the components is a transportation management system, which helps streamline and makes our logistics companies more efficient on their daily tasks. But outside of that, we also provide a host of other solutions that work with the TMS, such as our TIE Advisor advisor application. So with the TIE Advisor application, what it does is it analyzes the data within their own TMS and outside platforms, such as an ERP, WMS. And what it does is by analyzing that information, it can advise its users on information that they want to communicate to a desk level employee. So this information could be, average days of pay has increased for a customer. We want our accountants to be aware of that. We might want to advise them how many partial payments are being made by their customers so they could keep track of what kind of customers are, sending out partial payments versus full payments. So by advising the desk level employees about this information, it takes out a task for a manager to look up that report and provide that information to their employees. And another step that we take is providing action items on those tasks or on those business topics that we bring up. By providing these action items, we could actually monitor on, what the employees choose to do about an issue that we're bringing up to them, such as which customers have the most disputes or which carriers have the most disputes when it comes to LTL. What should they be doing? Should they be contacting the carrier? Should they be educating their customers more on freight class, MFC numbers? This is information that is valuable to the company, and providing these action items will help get the employees to act upon these issues that that companies want to tackle. Another solution that we provide is shipment visibility for the logistics companies. So by providing the shipment visibility, we could help communicate detailed pickup and delivery instructions to the drivers, and also provide visibility to the company and the customers when it comes to the location of their freight. So they could see the actual location of their freight every 15 minutes through a mobile application, and they could determine if the shipment will show up on time for its scheduled delivery. And also get documentation such as a proof of delivery, which is important for a logistics company because it is a requirement for most shippers to get invoiced. Another solution that we do provide is, outside of making companies more efficient through a TMS or advising through our advisor as far as certain business topics, is we could actually help them reduce freight costs through our marketplace. So through the marketplace, we actually can connect them to different resellers to provide rates or LTL rates that they probably wouldn't have access to through their own network. So by helping them reduce freight costs, we'll of course help them maximize margins. And through the marketplace too, we could actually refer them business. So if they're looking for more business from other companies who are looking for competitive LTL rates, we can provide them references where we could connect them directly to the customer.